Welcome back. The trial for the man facing terror-related murder charges in the deaths of 4 members of a Muslim family in London, Ontario, will begin next Monday. For the latest on this, we're joined live by CTV's Michelle Molesky in Windsor. Michelle, we now know that a jury has been selected. Tell us more about that process and how it came about.
Yeah, absolutely. Good morning. So jury selection started here at Windsor's Superior Courthouse Tuesday morning. Then today around 10:30, they acquired a jury of 14 people and 2 alternates. They were then asked to come back here on Monday for the start of the trial for opening statements by both the Crown and the defense, as well as the judge also asked the remaining panel members from Tuesday. She's also asked them to come back on Monday as well. Not 100% clear about the reasons for that. Jury selections do have a fair amount of publication bans around them, so there's not a lot of details that we can provide about the jury selection process. But at one point, she did tell the whole jury pool yesterday that the Crown intends to provide evidence that will speak to, quote, extremist right-wing views.
All right, and Michelle, we know that Nathaniel Veltman, the suspect here, is facing 4 counts of, I think it was first-degree murder, as well as 1 count of attempted murder. This, of course, from what happened tragically in London last summer when he drove his truck into members of the Afzal family.
Yeah, he allegedly is the suspect involved in that. It's important to say that as this trial is beginning, none of the allegations have yet to be proven in court. So yes, on June 6, 2021, the Afzal family was out for an evening stroll. It was a beautiful day in London. Around 8:40, they were struck by a pickup truck. 4 members, 3 generations, a grandmother, 2 adults, a 15-year-old girl all died. A 9-year-old boy survived his injuries. He is now 11 years old. Yesterday, the National Council of Canadian Muslims was here. They had a brief news conference. They say the Afzal family is obviously asking for privacy at this very difficult time and that they will not be making any statements in what will likely be a very difficult 3 months for them. That is how much time this court has set aside for this trial to take place.
Okay, 3 months long. And do you have any update on the surviving member of the Afzal family? Was there any information given out about him recently?
No, not at all. This really, since this trial moved to Windsor, that decision was made last summer. Windsor was announced as the municipality outside of London that would be hosting this trial. Since then, yesterday really was the start of this in Windsor, and because it was jury selection, they really didn't get into any of the real evidence in the case, just kind of broad strokes for the jury pool to have an idea of whether or not they could be unbiased in something like this. So no, we have no updates on that.
Yeah, just in terms of whether or not he's going to be called up as a witness in this case, but we'll have to wait and see. Michelle Molesky, thank you so much, reporting live from Windsor. Appreciate it.